Hello everyone, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to have a detailed review of the CUKTECH 15 Ultra Power Bank. So we will talk about its design, features, charging speed, all of its pros and cons while performing a quick unboxing as well. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So first of all, let's start with the unboxing. Inside the retail box, you will find the CUKTECH 15 Ultra Power Bank, a carrying pouch, and a USB Type-C cable along with a quick start guide or user manual. Talking about the design and build quality, the CUKTECH 15 Ultra comes in a very futuristic looking design, and front side the whole body is grayish and we got glossy black at the top, where you will find the CUKTECH 15 Ultra branding along with a button, and there is a display provided as well at the top. It comes with two USB Type-C port and one USB-A port, except the top all sides are matte finish that looks quite beautiful, and at the bottom we got the textured rubber that provides very nice grip while you place the CUKTECH 15 Ultra on a surface. Considering the 20,000 mAh battery capacity, the 15 Ultra is quite lightweight as well as not much bulky if you compare it with many of the other 20,000 mAh power banks currently available in the market. On the side, you will find clear markings right next to each of the ports to perfectly use this power bank based on your requirement, necessity, and the devices you are charging. The display we got is a colored one, and it provides plenty of information at a quick glance regarding the charging discharging activity happening on your CUKTECH 15 Ultra. The physical button provided can be used to power on and off the power bank, and you can also use it to navigate between settings and menu options we got here. Now talking about the charging speed, the CUKTECH 15 Ultra simultaneously supports up to 2 inputs. So you can use both USB Type-C ports to charge this power bank, and if you use a compatible combination of the chargers, for example one charger with 100 watt or one with 65 watt or two 90 watt chargers, then you can charge this power bank at 165 watt speed, at which it will activate the beast mode and fully charge this 20,000 mAh battery in just 45 minutes. So that's quite impressive, and with just 10 minutes of beast mode charging, you can charge the latest iPhone 16 fully, getting a full day of usage. Now talking about the charging other devices, the CUKTECH 15 Ultra can provide up to 210 watt max total power output depending on the combination of the ports you are using. So if you are just using one single port, then the USB Type-C one port can provide up to 140 watt max output. The second Type-C port can provide up to 65 watt. If you are using a Xiaomi device, then you can get up to 90 watt on the second USB Type-C port, and the reason behind this is that CUKTECH is a partner of Xiaomi and they're working closely for a decade, and that's why this power bank comes with some special features only for Xiaomi smartphones. And then on the USB-A port, if you're using just the single port output, then you can get up to 33 watt max. If we are using the combination of all of these three ports together, then on the first Type-C port you can get up to 100 watt output. Once again, for Xiaomi devices you will get up to 120 watt output. For the second Type-C port you will get 45 watt output, but for Xiaomi smartphones, once again you can get up to 65 watt output, and on USB-A port you will get 33 watt output max. For the primary USB Type-C port, you have the option to select between three modes, that is whether to input or output, only input or only output, and you can select any of these depending on your preference. When it comes to fast charging compatibility, the CUKTECH 15 Ultra comes with a wide range of fast charging protocols like the USB Power Delivery 3.1, quick charging technology, as well as UFCS, and because of that, the CUKTECH 15 Ultra will be able to fast charge a wide range of devices, whether it's the smartphones, tablets, laptops, handheld gaming consoles, and all other devices running on any of the fast charging protocol. And the CUKTECH 15 Ultra is also quite smart as it comes with brand recognition technology. So if you connect any of the Apple, Samsung or Xiaomi smartphones with a compatible charging cable, then it will be shown on the display that which brand's product you are charging and what is the specification for that particular charging cable. The 1.3-inch TFT display we got here is quite useful as it provides the information regarding activity happening on all of these 3 ports individually, so you get the information regarding the watt, volt, ampere, battery capacity remaining, heating warning, etc. in real time. The CUKTECH 15 Ultra also comes with pass-through charging technology, so at the very same time you can charge your 15 Ultra and simultaneously charge your other devices with it without any interruption. And since it comes with compatibility for various fast charging technology, does not matter what kind of devices you are using, you will get amazing charging speed. And another very important thing about the CUKTECH 15 Ultra is that even though it comes with this nice design, very useful display, fast charging speed, etc., the price of this power bank is way lower compared to other power banks with same capacity and same features currently available in the market from the other brands. So it is going to bring more value to money for sure. And if you enjoyed watching this video, if you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.